Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the important trends and anomalous behavior of carbon because carbon shows anomalous properties and what is the reason for showing the anomalous property because being the first member of this group it shows differences with its own members, that is due to the smaller size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy and unavailability of d orbitals. It is very important point here why the first member of each group showing differences with its own member. So the point is need to remember here, that is because of the smaller in size, it have high electronegativity in compared to its own members, and it have higher ionization enthalpy and unavailability of d orbitals. So, when we compare the nature of carbon, the carbon can form p pi multiple bond with itself and with the other atoms of smaller size and high electronegativity. Like the carbon can show p pi multiple bond. Multiple bond means a double bond or triple bond. So it can form double bond with itself. It can form triple bonds, that is in the case of alkynes. Even it can form double bond with oxygen, with sulfur, and it can also form triple bond with nitrogen. So this is one of the important property of carbon for being to form p pi multiple bond with itself and with the other elements of a smaller size and high electronegativity. Carbon also have the tendency to link with one another through a covalent bond to form chain and ring, and this property is called as catenation. A very important definition. What is catenation? That is the tendency of carbon atom to link one another through a covalent bond, and this is bonding is either in the linear chain way, in the branched chain way, and even in the cyclic way, that is in the ring chain. So here this is one of the property of carbon atom, and this is because of the CC bond are very strong in the carbon here, because CC bond are very strong in the carbon, and because of this only it have a greater tendency to link in a long chain form, in the branching form, and even in the cyclic form. So because of this reason only, the carbon can form the compounds with a long chain of carbon, that is we have already learnt in the case of alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, where we can find out the carbon can be in the long form. The example like protein, starch, in all these which are the organic compounds consist of carbon, and because of this property only it can form organic compounds. It is one of the most important property of carbon, that is the tendency to link with one another through covalent bond to form chains and rings. That property is called as catenation, a very important point. So the carbon, when we compare the catenation power with the other members, it is given in this way, that is a carbon have highest catenation power, that it is much greater catenation power than silicon. And when we compare silicon and germanium, silicon have quite less greater, and the catenation power of germanium and tin is nearly same, but the PB does not show any catenation power. So when we compare the bond enthalpy for these, in the case of carbon bond enthalpy, that is 348, that is much more greater value. So because of this reason only we can say that the catenation power is highest in the carbon because of the greater bond enthalpy, that is 348 kilojoule per mole. So what is the reason for being showing greater catenation power? That is because of CC bond are very strong. And when we compare the CC bond here, It is highest in the case of carbon. Therefore, the carbon show greatest catenation power in compared to the other members. So due to this property of catenation and pi bond formation, the carbon is able to show allotropic forms. That will be discussing the allotropes of carbon in the next video. So this is all about this video. Have a nice day.